Hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. If you are liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notifications. This is a general timeless reading for the collective where we'll check if you have a certain person and you want to know what they feel about you or how they see you. So we'll check their energies. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Meanwhile, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Okay, so let's check out what the person thinks about you. Also, we have the Emperor at the bottom of the deck here. Okay, so it looks like the person is not, being open to you or not direct. Okay, they are hiding something and not being upfront. The swords are showing that they are avoiding a confrontation. They might be, they think about you, but they are not ready to reveal, what they feel about you, and they don't want to, uh, you know, uh, express their true feelings for you. So it's not definitely, it looks like they're not being transparent here either out of fear, it could be, or out of guilt, or might be they have this emotional confusion. Either they should, talk or not, or, they should express their feelings or emotions to you or not. So they could be avoiding something, maybe uh, they think, okay, when they will come, out to express their feeling, so you will judge them maybe, or what you will feel about them, so they are hesitating in that. But I must tell you, you are definitely uh, on their mind. Okay, they see you as a source of light, that inspiration, and you make them feel healed in some way. Okay, so you give them that hope and they feel like, they're very much drawn to you, in a very idealized way, not in any bad sense. So it's like you stand out to them. They see you as someone who is very unique and absolutely beautiful, and so they're definitely crushing over you, I think. That's what I feel here. So it could be that thing. That's why they don't want to, come forward and express their true feelings to you, because might be they feel that, okay, you weigh so much higher than them, and you might not consider their proposal maybe. So one thing is clear, that you are definitely on their mind. Okay, um they just don't want to, express it, but they also feel a rush of thoughts and emotions, okay, that's going on their mind every time. So whenever they think about you, they might want to come forward quickly, as see that Knight of Swords. They want to come forward and talk to you and even confront something they have been avoiding for a long time, I think. But they might be acting impulsively, or without full emotional maturity. So I think they are not certain in their head if they are ready to commit in any way or not. So that's why they are avoiding, I think. This is their own contradiction in their mind. Okay, the thoughts. I think, do know this person, like they have been acquainted to you in the past. I am taking that because they might have hurt you in the past, I feel like that. Okay, we have two more cards here. Okay, so the Empress and the Knight of Pentacles. So see, they definitely see you as, someone who is, worth uh, having, and beautiful, someone nurturing, and very Venusian energy. This is in, it gives that very feminine, mature, loving and nurturing person. They see you as that, definitely. But the thing is, they want to take things slowly. I am taking that here. See, with the Ten of Swords, I think they feel like it's over in their head. So either they believe that they have, hurt you, or, feel, uh, they are themselves are deeply hurt by a few things maybe happened with them. So there is that emotional pain and regret, and even that guilt trip is there. So they may believe that there is no way to fix things, okay, when it comes to the both of you, or they feel that they already ruined their chance. Maybe I think something has happened in the past related to the both of you, and so they are judging you on that thing, okay. So they don't want to come out, and talk that straightforwardly. And definitely, they are emotionally distancing themselves, trying to move on. But equally you are on their mind at the same time. So possibly they want to move away, and protect themselves, or to process everything internally, so that when they are clear in their mind, so they'll come back. It's like that. So it's not easy for them, but they may feel it's necessary at this point of the time. So they are emotionally distancing themselves, but at the same time, as I told you, they see your worth here, okay. And they might miss on this chance if so there's so much of contemplation on your topic here. And so much is going on in their head at the time. So, there's you are that loving, nurturing person. You're very abundant. They see you as okay. This person, this he or she, whatever, she or he is very mature, and you see they get what they want. I'm feeling that. So they might be thinking, okay, this is a very mature person here. So they are very worthy, and that comforts them. That's very comforting to them. And you're someone they admire deeply. They have this soft corner for you. So perhaps even they feel you're too good to be true for them now. So they might want to take things slow here, I'm saying. So slow and steadily, they want to come forward and not rushing things now, okay. In their head they are rushing, okay, they want to say this and that, but at in the ground level they are moving forward slowly. So they might want to rebuild something meaningful with you, and but only if they believe there's safety or stability in doing so. It could be like if you ignore them and not take their offer, so they are also worried about that thing. So on one hand, I can say they admire you and value you deeply, with that star and the tempest card here. But on the other hand, they are either hiding something. Maybe there are few things of the past they are not able to, process and not able to convey to you. Okay, so they are feeling guilty, or they have this regret, or trying to protect themselves emotionally. Okay, with the swords and both the swords card. So they may feel overwhelmed or defeated, but still think of you as someone nurturing and very important in their life. You play a very important role, indirectly. And there's this desire to approach and reconnect with you, but very cautiously and slowly, with the Knight of Pentacles. So they are emotionally torn at this moment. They definitely admire you, perhaps even love you, but they are burdened by what has happened or what didn't happen. Okay, so they are trying to move forward, and yet their heart still holds you in high regard. They highly admire you. There's no doubt in that. So since we had this Emperor card, so they are suppressing their emotions, okay. They want to be look like in controlled, and they are very emotionally restrained here. Say so yeah, they want to stay composed and act strong and be in control of the things. So they may want to protect the image of power, maybe, but they deeply value and respect you, but they are under strict control in expressing their emotions to you. So this is like you are someone irreplaceable for them, and they are not ready to be emotionally open, but they are not ready to forget you even more. Okay, so I think you now know your person and you will resonate with it. So thank you for watching, and namaste.